Linux commands for keyboard shortcuts, user and groups, file and directory management. Some important keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+C, kill processes running in the terminal. Ctrl+C, suspending processes, allowing you to resume them later. Ctrl+W, cut one word before the cursor and add it to the clipboard. Ctrl+U, cut part of the line before the cursor and add it to the clipboard. Ctrl+K, cut part of the line after the cursor and add it to the clipboard. Ctrl+Y, paste from keyboard. Ctrl+R, recall the last command that matches the provided characters. Ctrl+O, run the previously recalled command. Ctrl+G, exit command history without running a command. Ctrl+L, it will clear the terminal screen. !! Run the last command again. Ctrl+D, it will exit the terminal. Now some commands related to users and groups. ID, see details about the active user. Who, display who is currently logged into the system. Last, show the last system logins. W, show which users are logged in and their activity. Finger, space then enter in username, it will show user information. User add, space then enter in username, it will create a new user account. Add user, space then enter in username, it will create a new user account with add user command. User del, space then enter in username, deletes in user account. User mod, to modify in user. Password, space and username, to modify password. Group add, space and group name, to add a new group. Group del, space and group name, to delete a group. Group mod, to modify a user group. Sudo, give command, temporarily elevates user privileges to superuser. Su space hyphen space username, to switch to superuser. Chgrp, give command, to change a group assignment. Now some commands on files and directories. Dir space directory name, to create a new directory. Rm space file name, to remove a file. Rm space hyphen directory name, to remove a directory recursively. Rm space hyphen rf directory name, to remove a directory forcefully. Cp, source file, destination file, to copy file content. Cp space hyphen r source directory, destination directory, recursively copy directory. MV, source file, destination file, move or rename files or directory. Touch file name, create a new empty file. ln space hyphen s, filename space link name, to create symbolic link. Cat filename, show contents of a file. Cat source file, double greater than mark, destination file, append file contents to another file. Head, file name, shows the first 10 lines of a file. Tail file name, shows last 10 lines of a file. More file name, display contents of a file page by page. Less file name, show the contents of a file with navigation. 6 space file name or vim space file name, open or create a file using the 6 or vim text editor. wc space hyphen w file name, show the number of words, lines, and bytes in a file. lstube zargs wc, lists the number of lines, words, characters in each file in a directory. Cut space hyphen d, delimiter space file name, cut a section of a file and print the result to standard output. Diff first file space second file, compares two files and display differences. Source file name, read and execute the file content in the current shell. Command tube t space file name greater than #dev/null, store the command output in a file and skip the terminal output. Thanks for watching. To see more such useful technical videos, please like our video and subscribe our channel.